Quick look at a John Deere 325 and the pre-checks. This one's actually got back weights on it, which is handy. Lets you lift more. Just open the back. Easy to blow out your radiators. Your diesel goes here. Lift up this here, and just lift up far enough, stays up itself. So here you have your diesel. The diesel goes in here. This is the top of your radiator. That's your expansion tank down here. You can see that pretty simple. Your dipstick is here. Just lift it there. Filler cap is here. Your air filter obviously is here. And coming around the side then for your hydraulic oil, that's a little gauge down there. So this has the smart boom. It comes up and out. Hydraulic quick hitch, stuff like that. Just a look inside the cab too, I suppose. It's not too bad. You got room in the cab. You have to have the down to see what you're doing, but you got your controls here, right and left. Right and left. Same as other controls. You got your thing, window washers down there, and you just got your controls up here. This one has got air conditioning. It's 1200 hours on it. Your quick hitch, lights, your menu, fuels. Pretty simple. Quite a good machine. Hand revs down here.